Hi dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see today how to do color adjustment for all the image or for some layers only by using filters in Krita. So let's say we want to do some changes for all the image. Okay, so you have to be on the very top of your list and then to add this filter layer. You can choose adjustment what you have to do for your image, whether it will be color adjustment or changing of color balance, whatever. And when you are done, just click OK. Or if you want to do some changes, not for all the image but for some layer only, let's go to the layer with this blue flower, for example. Do right click when layer is chosen. Do right click of your mouse and choose here add filter mask, and the changes will be done for your blue flower, for your layer only. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.